party, but we don't have candy cane, but we still have a big Christmas tree, and we'll still put this until 22nd of February. So it's my birthday, so I'm gonna take it out. So this candy cane party, how it works. So each kid will come and put the decorations on, and these are my favorite ones. And look glittery. And we've got these stars, and these stars are electric stars. And we've got these little blinking, and the star we cannot put on, so we tried to put on and we cannot. So we've got Mr. Santa Claus over here. We've got trees and applauses. And now this Christmas tree is finished. Now everybody walk over here. Now we got these books. These are present from today. From National Geographic Kids, we've got many science books over here. So these National Geographic Kids, this must be a present for big kids. So come over here. So we've got an activity at Needham. These are paper presents, okay? So we've got pink for girls, blue for boys, and gold for girls and boys. So these we're gonna do it tomorrow. So we've got the Lego tables. So we're gonna build Lego over here. So that's all for today.